Let's start with placing a title here. So place bedroom floor plan, which is a 400 text height. Then the word scale and 1:50 meters are both 250 text height. Okay. Then create a circle here containing the sheet number. And this circle should have a radius of 500. Then the numbers inside should be 250 in text height. Take note, all of these are in millimeters. Millimeters. After creating a title, next is modifying this bubble. Okay, this bubble. So to modify this bubble, click this, then BE, then dynamic grid. Okay. So let's modify this from the original placement is here, around 500 diameter. Okay. Let's modify this into 250, or I should say 300 millimeter. Okay, so 600 in diameter, 300 radius, 600 diameter. Okay, so enough for numbers to be located here. Okay, then the grid label rotation should remain in the same place. Okay, what should be moved is this grid line. So click the grid line and this grid line length parameter. M for move. Then click here. Then click to the bottom quadrant of the circle. Okay. Then select all. M for move. Then select the bottom tip of the grid line at the bottom. Then type 0, 0 to move all of this to the origin. Okay, then close block editor, save changes. So even if we change the sizes of the circle of the grid bubble, the positions will remain the same. Okay, it will remain the same. So now we have the title and the modified grids. We can now turn into the layout 101. Okay, so in layout 101, we already placed a bunch of fields here. So the names, the title, the date, the sheet number are all in fields. So if you want to change the project title and your name, for instance, you should click the application menu, drawing utilities, then drawing properties. You can change the title here and the author or your name here. Okay, and if you already finished changing the title and the author, you should type regen or RE to update this. This date will always be updated according to your save date. Okay, so once you save, like right now, it's already April 5, so I'm gonna save it. Control S for save. Automatically, it became April 5. Okay. Then the sheet number 101 depends on the sheet name or layout name here. Okay, so enough of the fields update. Let's now proceed on model space. So MS model space. If ever you didn't already organize your drawings here according to scale, our scale is 1:50. Okay, so let's find the scale here at the bottom. So scale of the selected viewport, click that, then let's find 1:50. 1:50. Okay, so this is now 1:50. If you need to move this, okay, don't scroll your middle mouse button. If you scroll the middle mouse button, it will become out of scale again. Okay, so let's click again here, 1:50. Then just hold the middle mouse button to pan to the exact location that you want your viewport in. If you are now sure on your position, type PS for paper space. Then your model space now will be locked. You may notice here that our grid line looks like a continuous line or solid line. Well, it should be a center line. So we should be tweaking its LTS or LT scale or line type scale. So the command here is LTS. So as you can see, the scale factor is 7.62. Too large, so it seems like it's like a solid line or continuous line. So let's change it into 0.2 only. So 0.2 reflects or represents the center line well. Now, we are now ready for plotting. So Control P for plotting or printing. Continue to plot a single sheet since this is only a single sheet. Then don't forget to choose DWG or drawing to PDF. Then choose ISO full bleed A3. Okay. What to plot? It should be layout. Then you should have this CAD-A.ctb. If you don't have this CAD-A plot style assignment, you should choose new, start from scratch, name it CAD-A. But since I do have a CAD-A here, I will just name this as A. Okay, A. So that you can see what is the next step here. So again, click next. Then you should use the plot style table editor. Okay, then check use the plot style table for the current drawing. Okay, for me, I won't be clicking finish since I do have the CAD-A plot style table. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cancel it. For you, if you are only new to this, you should edit this first. Okay, so again I'm gonna cancel. So I'll choose CAD-A, then edit. Now let's choose all the colors because I want all the colors to be color black only. I want all the colors to portray only black color. So I'll click na color number 1, then hold shift, then arrow down until I selected all the colors up to color 255. Okay, so choose black, choose grayscale on, then find color number 5. Color number 5 should be also black. Then change line weight to 0.7. That's for color 5 or color blue. Color blue only. Okay. Next, color 6 or magenta should be also color black. And line weight 0.7. Okay. Color 7, black also. Color 8, use object color. Use object color. Okay. Then color 9, it should be black. Then the line weight is 0.000. Okay, so the thinness of the line weights should be color 9. If you if you recall, color 9 is the color of the hatches. Hatches and the dimension lines. So if we're done with this, we can save and close now. Then apply to layout. Don't forget to apply to layout. Then preview. Let's preview this. So this will be the final output. Okay, so click. You can see the table. Sorry, the title block, margin, the wall lines, the columns. All of these are magenta and blue, and all are in the thickest line weight. This is all according to our plot styles. Okay. Then, as opposed to the thickest, the thinnest here are the hatches, the floor hatches, the wall hatches, the column hatches, and the dimension lines. So all of these are 0.00 0.00 line weight. So if you are satisfied with this, so just print this or plot. Choose your folder. So please select your folder. So this is a midterm activity. So midterm, then activity, then you should name this based on your name. Okay. So this is not a prelim, it should be midterm. Act 7 underscore midterm underscore your name. Surname, first name is optional if you do have a similar surname with your classmate. Okay, so activity 7, midterm, save. So after this progress, depending on what PDF program or application you are using, it will automatically show you after this. So let's wait. So here's the outcome. So you can see the walls are emphasized here, the columns, and the margins of the A3 sheet. So now you are now acquainted with the basics of the plotting. Please submit your activity 7 on PDF also. So the same as what you are seeing on my screen. But I will give you the specific floor that you are going to need to submit to me.